Hi guys, I'm back again and today's video is about how you can make Maggi in an electric kettle. So what happens is if you go to a lot of places, like if you go to a hotel or if you go to a small place where you don't have a kitchen, you can carry on own electric kettle or a certain like lot of actually hotels have electric kettles in their room. So if you know how to make Maggi in that, um, it gets easier to have your own food. You can make instant noodles also similar way with that. Plus, in the future videos, I can show you how to make rice in that as well as boiled egg in it. But for today, we'll make Maggi in electric kettle. It's my small electric kettle. It's around 500 ml. It's from the brand Morphe Richard, and this is something which we carry at times like when we are traveling. And I'll show you how you can make Maggi quickly in this. So for this you need to actually break your Maggi. That's a sad part, but you have to do that. So break it. If you have a bigger electric kettle, then you can skip this step or break it in some other way. Okay, so once you break this, you have to fill the water till it covers the Maggi. So till that level you have to fill the water. Okay, now this is covering the Maggi. So you have to make sure you have to fill the water till it covers the Maggi. Let me add some bit more water. I'll come back. So I'll add a bit more water so the Maggi is entirely covered. Okay, now I'll add the Maggi masala. Okay, so once you add the Maggi masala, my Maggi masala I think had got moisture in it. Okay, now you just mix it. Carry a plastic fork with you whenever you travel. That's really convenient. Carry 1, 2, 3 forks with you, or bamboo forks, and that's even better. That's environmentally safe also, and you can reuse it again. So do that. Okay, now this is mixed. We'll close the lid. Up till now I haven't started the kettle. Okay, so you just have to do all this process first, and then you have to close the kettle. Switch it on. There's an on button over here. You switch it on. It's on. Then you have to let it complete the entire process till the time it gets boiled and it stops. So now it has started with the heating process. Eventually it will boil, and there will be some fog on my camera. But let it boil and then stop on its own. You don't have to stop it, okay? Just before it starts boiling, just open the lid. Your Maggi would be loose enough. Just mix it a bit. Okay? And then close it again. This was before the boiling starts. Now the boiling has started. Let it boil. Now the boiling is done and it's completed. The electric kettle got switched off on its own. Now what you need to do is keep it like that for let's say 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, keep it like that. So what will happen is the Maggi would start, it already started cooking in that hot water, but now what it will do is like it will because of the hot water it will start even, it'll cook even further, and then like if you rest it for some time, the warm water is making the Maggi cook, and then eventually with 2 or 3 minutes, like you do it on a gas stove, this kettle will cook the Maggi for you. Okay, so we'll keep it for 2 3 minutes more, and then we'll open it. Yes, thickened a bit. We'll open it. Yeah, you can see. I'll focus it. Okay, my hand is like somewhere in the middle. Looking at this. Let's focus on the Maggi. You can see. That's nice. Soupy Maggi. You can see it's well cooked. This is well cooked Maggi. Nice, done. Creamy, slightly juicy. If you don't want this much water, the way I prefer it, you can add less water in the starting, like when I asked you to cover the entire Maggi, you cover it a bit less and then cook it. The result would be similar, the water would be less, and that's your Maggi. If you want to add some veggies also into it, then of course keep the water level this much only, so that it cooks well with the Maggi. And if you want like less what do you call it, less watery Maggi, the soupy Maggi, then you can add less water to it. Okay, so that is the way how you cook a Maggi in a kettle. See, that's your Maggi. Okay, that was very quick and easy method. So you can actually take your Maggi packets with you wherever you go. See if your hotel has a electric kettle, and if it doesn't, carry your own electric kettle with you. Yeah, just confirm with the airlines, or if you're going by train, perfect. If you're going by airline, just confirm once with them if you're allowed to take this or not. And enjoy your Maggi.